Yeah, here we are in a very picturesque Hallmark type town called Thomasville. The subject of our travel guide today. Here with Jim, Janine, and Anna. It's a fine day to come visit. The town has a unique blend of shopping antiques. You don't see a lot of downtowns anymore. Amazon kills a lot of stuff, but this is very refreshing to travel to such a beautiful, picturesque town. I just got hit in the face by some balloon. Very popular place. Passing Lamb's restaurant. Just look at the beautiful streetscape here. We're on the intersection of Broad and Jackson Street. Southern charm, Southern class, Southern cooking. Everything here is in Thomasville. Listen to the bells ring. A certain charm. Every room is unique. Every restaurant has possibilities. That was a wine tasting room. Look at the pink Valet as we enter this gorgeous boutique.
Tracy gets your treats. What's his name? Boomer. I promise you, you will never see an English bulldog service dog.
Oh my gosh.
Are you taking a picture of this monstrosity?
It's a place of beauty. You're doing good. Some plein air.
That is.
No, don't put yourself down. Very vibrant, very expressive. Hey, that's your life.
I can paint,
You are passionate about painting. I think it's lovely.
Am passionate about painting.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah.
I need to put some more
Yeah.
cards
Okay, let's do it.
Y'all must be going to Jonah's.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shrimp and
Where's Aunt Janine? Oh, we got some food now. This is great.
we just finished.
Our table at Jonah's is ready now. I'm so excited. Now they're giving us our table. I see a lot of people enjoying their seafood.
This is corn, crab and corn. Everything looks good.
How are y'all doing?
Hi, thank you.
My name's Emma. I'm going to be taking care of y'all.
Shrimp with the side of Brussels sprouts and French fries.
Okay, so these are hush puppies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I'm confused with what we got.
We got shrimp and grits,
Oh, shrimp and grits. Okay.
fancy shrimp, Brussels sprouts,
Okay.
coleslaw and French fries.
They really have a good spread. So now we're doing the tasting.
Oh, Anna. Anna, put your fork in there and give it a try. That is absolutely delicious.
Well, I feel about 10 pounds heavier as we leave Jonah's. And look at this classic Municipal Building. And look at the bubbles coming from Imagination Emporium. A fun store on the corner of Broad and Jackson. The architecture of the government buildings are fabulous. Religion is huge in southern Georgia. And look at this First Baptist Church. Now let's cross the street. We're passing a bakery and you get a wider view of Broad Street. Guess what? It is pretty broad. Fine, thank you, man. Good. What a beautiful store you got. You can always go to Target or Walmart, but look at this cool store here. Okay, so this is the Bakery Museum. Janine says it's closed because of the COVID, but it's in honor of the Flowers Bakery. So Flowers must be pretty big in the Southeast. There's a plaque honoring Langdon Flower Sr. They say Mr. Flowers contributed to the Flowers companies and had a passion for the contributions of his hometown of Thomasville. Thank you, Langdon. Small cakes, cupcakery, chop house, a lot of restaurants. Oh my God, he looks like a real dog. The sculpture's pretty good. Was it about world famous deep dish cookies? So they're world famous for the cookies.
I like the way that they're like little cakes.
Do they bake them here or do they make them in someone's house? Outside though.
Look at these.
What do you
Don't
think?
those look good?
What's your best seller?
The chocolate and the chocolate chip
Are you the owner or are you just working here?
I like that they're like a cake. Like,
It's like a cookie cake.
they're very good.
Oh, they like Burg Cookies too?
I don't know. We've never tried.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The world famous actually tried it. You know, like deep dish pizza?
Yeah.
They got deep dish cookies. It's strange. We just tried it. It's really good. See a lot of pink ribbons. It's the Onward Reserve. A lot of good places to dine al fresco. Bakery Cafe looks pretty popular. Just another look at the gorgeous architecture here. And wouldn't you know, they would find product, of course. A lot of cosmetics, clothing. Man, this place smells great. Lots of perfume, almost like a human candle.
One makes more sense.
So Anna, what do we have here?
Anna,
Are you mom's favorite?
No.
can I get the dance weaver?
Oh, this has got to be very intriguing. Toy Store. And it says like an Imagination Emporium. Look at this cute little bubble machine and the children loving the little bubbles. How adorable.
Are y'all fine right now?
Very, very cute. I love the bubbles here at the Imagination Emporium. It's a very classy toy store. Oh, just beautiful. Oh, you got to see this place.
Okay.
It's actually probably worth going into.
Okay.
Cool toy store, Anna. 2 stories, mezzanine approach. It'll stimulate your kids to think. Oh, guess right. Imagination Emporium.
Way down there. Want to go check out That's a ladies' boutique.
I just love this place.
Anna, we go into
You're screwed.
all old drugstores. We'll be in the
My father was a pharmacist. I love going into the old-fashioned drugstores. Look at the mosaic tiles. There's no substitute for a traditional independent pharmacy as compared to a Walgreens or a CVS. It's gorgeous. Makes me think of my father's pharmacy. Allie B's is another fine store for clothing and jewelry and accessories.
One makes more sense.
So Anna, what do we have here?
Anna,
Are you mom's favorite?
No.
can I get the dance weaver? Walking to
Hello there.
how much are they?
This size is 19 and the larger size is 32.
And we're passing the Grassroots Coffee Company.
I can see how they do. I bought a bunch in Rosemary Beach.
Just like independent pharmacies, it's difficult running an independent bookstore, but here's the bookshelf, a Thomasville tradition. What a gorgeous bookstore. You need about 20 minutes? And look at this beautiful leather store. You can buy a purse?
No, it has a nice purse.
That's a nice looking bag.
I know, it's just like a big. I like this one too. That's very cute.
Old-fashioned barber shop.
Oh, this is not.
And the one thing is the storefronts are all antique, traditional. Look at the hand-carved wood. This place is just fun to enjoy. You stroll past restaurants, bakeries, the clothing stores, and art galleries are fun too. Now we're passing the Billiard Academy. Oh, Janine, There's a bar, you got to smell the cigarette smoking.
Okay.
This one, the Billiard Academy, they got chili dogs.
Oh, but okay. Oh, it smells like
Hey everybody, today we're going to check out a plantation called Pebble Hill, a great tourist attraction here in Thomasville, Georgia. Lots of history here. They do a big business of weddings and receptions here. Look at them setting up for a wedding. Now we're approaching our entrance into the main house. And if you're kind of curious, you can see the foyer with a freestanding staircase. Visitor center.
Okay, is what you want to do the house tour?
Plantations are often criticized due to the South's connection to the horrors of slavery. Pebble Hill exists to educate and inform. During the Mitchell era, there were slaves.
And this part of the house burned, so there's absolutely nothing before.
okay. Right. So it was here,
But it was here, but there's nothing.
right. Then the other.
What were the slaves for? Milking
What
cows?
were
Or
they do? No,
Oh,
the
no,
cows
they
didn't
were-
come to 1920. They
They
said.
worked the land. They
And what
worked the
did they
land. They
grow?
grew cotton, of course, rice, and grain for their animals.
Get me. Here, so you have
Okay, so this is 40-ounce beer, which they don't sell in Florida. So FSU students now drive across the border to buy 40-ounce beer. And so what was this, about $2? Or how much is this now?
What else is there?
$2.30.
That's what I'm going to get a
Pretty good.
40-ounce Coke Zero. That's what I got.
Okay, interesting. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe.